Yo. Hello, fine chap. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna be customizing some Nike Air Force Ones once again. This time it's a little bit different. I have never done this before. Never, ever done this before. And maybe you've never done this before either. So this is a learning opportunity for the both of us. So yeah, what's up everyone? I'm Surface London. You might know me from TikTok. Your boy's TikTok famous. And today we're going to be making some Lightning Air Force Ones. So earlier today, I went to the shops and I bought these. This is basically my trip. And now I'm back in my room about to customize them. Let's go. I feel like in order for a YouTube video to be funny, you have to do something random. Is that good enough? Okay, so the plan for this video. I have this 3M Lightning Strike, which is an iron transfer, I believe. Yeah, it's an iron transfer, Alright, brilliant. So all we're going to be doing in this video is ironing these onto the shoes, apparently, I believe. I assume. It's going to look something like this, but better. Who's excited? I'm excited. Are you excited? I am so excited. The excitement levels are 100.
Oh my god, very excited.
You're excited, I'm excited, we're all excited. I'm gonna leave the link for these 3M, is it 3M or is it 3 meter or is it 3 Musketeers? I don't actually know what 3M stands for. They come looking like this. They cost me like £20 or something like that. £20 or something like that. I think we should just get on with customizing. That's what you're here for, that's what I'm here for. I can't wait till these are finished. So let's go. This is how the sheet comes, and this is how we need it to look. We're going to take some scissors and cut off the excess, just in case we use it in a future video. Perfect. Okay, now for this part, we really need to take our time. Basically, we need to peel it so that all that is left on this sheet is the Lightning. We need to make this look like this. So now it looks like this. There are still a few parts we need to get off. All you want to do is take an X-Acto knife and just scrape it up. Okay, cool. Now our stencils are prepared. Okay, so this bit was a little bit fiddly. What we had to do is adjust the Lightning to where we wanted it on the shoe. I've made a decision not to put it on the tick. I just thought it'd be better that way. All I've done here is cut the design exactly how I wanted it to make it fit around the shoe how I wanted it. It's a simple. So you can see that right there now. It's quite rough at the moment, but obviously once we get iron in it, it'll be a lot better. You're supposed to use a mini iron, however I don't have a mini iron, so I'm using this big one. Okay, so as I'm lifting it up, I can definitely see the areas that aren't ironed properly. So I'm just gonna go back over them, try and lift it up again. Let's see if you can see this too. You can see that little bit just flopping around here. So I'm gonna push that back down. That's cool, just like that. Let's get that stuck down. Okay, that is looking sweet. Now let's do this part. Okay, so that is one side of the shoe done. And now let's repeat the process for the other side. Okay. I don't know, I think this took me probably about 20 minutes to do. They look so awesome. I think they look good, but guys, how do you think they look? These shoes, on a scale of 1 to 10, are 3 in difficulty to make, and they look a 10 out of 10. Like, honestly guys, it's super simple and super easy to make these shoes. You just need to take a risk. buy yourself some shoes, buy yourself the stencils, make them, and then show me. I want to see that you've made them. You can actually buy these shoes already like this. They cost about £200. So yeah, if you want a pair, message me and I'll make them for you for 150. I'm super happy with how these shoes turn out. They're just so fresh. Fresh. Shut up. That is not cool. But these shoes are very cool. So yeah guys, like it was super simple to do this. As you see, like I just ironed it and things like that. That's it basically. That's all that I've got for this video. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you spending time out of your day watching this video if you're still here. And if you did watch this video all the way to now, just comment Lightning Air Force in the comments and I'll be liking every single one of your comments. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, give it a like, give it a comment, tell me what you think, tell me what you want to see next. My Snapchat is Surface London, my TikTok is Surface London, my Facebook is Surface London, my YouTube is Surface London, and finally my Instagram is Surface London. We're doing so well on all the socials and I'm really pushing because I want them to be as big as possible by Christmas. So if you could help me out and subscribe to any of these, I will love you forever. I won't waste any more of your day. Go out, be productive and follow your dreams. I love you. Bye. It's electrifying. You better shape up. Orlando Bloom.